Hi, how are you? Let's see proof by induction or the proof by mathematical induction. So, what's the logic behind this? We will check the given statement for the initial condition. So, make sure in the different question it may be given that it proves that the given statement holds for all natural number. Whether it holds for show you one question where it's given n greater than equal to 7, then you need to check the given statement for n is equal to 8. Then your initial condition will be n is equal to 8. It's not necessary that your initial condition will be at n is equal to 1. Okay. And one more thing, if I say for all n belongs to natural number, or if it's given in the question n is a natural number, n greater than equal to 1, it means all the natural number comes in under that bracket. So you should be acquainted with this terminology. Make sure what is given in the question. Then comes the assumption part. We will assume that n is equal to k, that it means k is some natural number. So it holds for some natural number, n is equal to k, and then we will show that it's hold for k plus 1. But what is the logic behind that, right? Let's say your friend says k is equal to 10, then what is k plus 1? 11. So it holds for next natural number, right? If your k is 100, I say I'm taking k as 100. This is your friend's case. He's taking k as 10. I'm taking k as 100. So my k plus 1 will be what? 101. So it holds for that. And now Chris. Now the Chris says that k is 1000. Then for Chris, we will show that it's true for 1001. It holds, it works wonderfully. So can you see for the any given natural number? Let's say 200, then 201. 250 is your k, then for the next. So it means k is any natural number, k is any random natural number, and the next one it will be true. So in that case, we will be saying that by the principle of mathematical induction, the given statement is true for all n. You need to pick from the, you need to read the question. Is it for all n belongs to natural number or n greater than equal to 1, or some other initial condition is given that n is greater than 6 or something like that. Then accordingly you need to conclude based on your given statement. So yeah, in the next video I'll be solving some questions. Till then, bye bye.